Hey, what's going down, y'all? Just want to say hello and thank you for joining me on another episode of Better Than Bad. Alright, so today is December 25th, 2018. Y'all know what that means. I checked my inbox today and we just reached 25,000 views today. That's just bananas. I can't even believe that. I'm so excited. We've been plugging away left and right every single day, making sure we create awesome content for you guys to enjoy, to learn from, to grow from. And we can't thank you enough for joining us on this digital journey as we just explore the nether realms of this fantasy land we call the internet. With that said, I just want to make sure that you had a chance to take a look at our Facebook page. Over there, you'll catch all of our friends that haven't found us on YouTube. We do exclusive ticket giveaways, custom videos, all kinds of other stuff that we're not doing here on YouTube. So go ahead and take a look at that. All the information is down below. You can also find us on Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, you name it, we're out there. With that said, let's get to our episode. So yesterday I woke up super motivated. I had done a piece originally the day before and I wasn't really feeling it. I had a great concept, which I'm probably going to do in another episode. I just didn't connect with it. It didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, which brought me to the concept of, do I even release it? Do I even show you? You know what? I'll show you. Not today, but I will show you. And I learned that from Gary Vee. I was watching an episode and he said, you know what? Someone's probably gonna like it. And I forget that a lot of people dig the things that we're not huge fans of. Now, I keep remembering this number. If 99% of the world didn't like what you were producing, there's still 100 million people out there that probably will. That's why stupid people are famous. So anyway, that's another episode. But I wanted to make up for it, and I had this concept I wanted to put into play. And the concept is simple. Jumping through hoops. It's something we all gotta do. We may not enjoy it. It may not be the best. It may not be super fun, but it's 100% necessary in order for us to grow. And as I mentioned before, we have to grow through what we go through. In this episode, I'm gonna show you a visual representation of what it's like to jump through hoops, but taking those hoops and using them not just as obstacles, but as stepping stones to create something bigger and better and more beneficial than you imagine. And that just goes along with falling in love with the process. Jump through that hoop, make that leap, make things happen, period. So with all that said, I'm gonna show you how my brain works visually when I'm jumping through hoops. Y'all ready for this? Let's take a look.
Woke up, told myself to push and never stop. I've been stressed out, watching both these hands around the clock. With my eyes wide, trying to get the panorama shot. Whole world getting blurry to me, answers getting lost. So I watch my back and keep it moving to the front. And remember that the world's yours, do it how you want. You've been waiting here for too long, think it's time for you to move on. Realize that there's real lies in these real times, so be strong.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 waiting. But will you wait for me?
Time to shine just like a diamond. But life is rough and I ain't with that funny stuff. I use it all as motivation, but it's hard to have the patience. Watching time fly by might be the hardest thing I have to do in life. Frustrated that I ain't where I want to be yet, but I know that I'ma make it if I chase that check. Yes.
Cause I done seen the time go by for too many years now when the stars were aligned. Cause I done seen the time go by. Yeah, I done seen the time go by.
I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. I've been waiting all my life, and it was right before my eyes. Watching all this time slip by, now I realize. You know I've been waiting, 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 waiting.
them days I've been here.
Alright, and that's how we do it here in the Phase 2 photo studio. Thank you so much for joining me on that digital journey down the realm of jumping through digital hoops. I hope you enjoyed that, and once again, today is our 25,000 views mark. We just reached 500 subscribers, which is just insane, and we're so excited to share it with you, and we're so excited that you want to share your time with us. So this is a huge shout out to every single one of you that's even made it this far in the episode and continues to come back. I continue to do this specifically for you guys. You're amazing. I wanted to mention, one of my favorite things to do is collaborate with other artists, whether you're a hip hop artist, whether you're a singer, model, hairstylist, makeup artist, photographer, videographer. If you skateboard, let me know. I want to work with you. I've got tons of ideas and my time is very important to me, but I want to share it with you. Let's grow together. Let's make some things happen. With that said, do me a favor, if you haven't already, take a look at us on Facebook. Go ahead and give us a like over there. That way you'll get all the additional information that we don't throw out on YouTube. And if you're on Facebook watching this right now, hit us up over on YouTube. We have exclusive content for very different audiences, and we want you to be a part of both. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit that bell. That way you'll get an update every time I release an episode just like this. So once again, I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and I just want to remind you, we may not be the best, but we're definitely better than bad.